In this assignment, you're going to work with for loops and while loops. And the loops will be nested together for this assignment. You'll need to create your own data for the for loop. And we're just going to put the counter in as the output function for the while statement. So whatever you choose, you'll need to create a list variable. It'll have 13 items in that list variable. And each time through the for statement, you'll print one of those items out of that list variable. Then you're going to do the while statement until you do it the appropriate number of times. And then you'll drop back out and do the for statement and continue this process until you've completed the requirements of the assignment. You will not do any geoprocessing in this assignment, and you will do this all in an IDE.